Are like 418 right now.
Oh wow.
You are the best.
Oh god.
Live up to your name. Live up to
Guys landed on the wrong side of the mountain. Oh.
I took out a tank at least.
I guess. Yeah. Let's talk later.
Crap.
Calling down supplies. Requesting
Good news is Dick Rock is right there.
There.
Oh god, this is a command bunker mission.
Requesting air.
Oh my god, that's a lot of...
Orbital inbound.
There's a bunch of guys coming around this way. Oh my god.
Stand clear.
Careful around there. Oh fuck.
Yeah. That area looks bad.
Oh. Ow!
What?
Reinforcing.
What happened?
Some explosion killed me. I don't know what it was.
I threw at 500 kg. You mean where all those enemies were?
I might have been like right around the corner probably.
I haven't even looked at the map yet. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. This is gonna be crazy.
Exploding crossbow.
Yeah, that's mine. I recommend you use it.
Bag's empty.
I got my quasar.
No, that's a primary.
Oh crap.
I want to start using something new.
Laser
Come
tower.
on, come on, come on! Jesus
Oh, shit.
Christ. Can someone spawn me?
It just shot me right after. Want to go close or far away? Oh, never mind.
It's fine. Is this where I died?
Point me to the enemy.
Oh, there's like a tank right here.
I hear your stuff.
Woo! I got it. Auto cannon.
Found something.
Back in action.
Finally, gets some good fucking placement.
Oh, there's the command bunker. One
Calling
of
down
them.
a sentry.
There's a turret around that mountain over there.
Two
the way you're
turrets.
going.
This is nasty.
I'm about to. one turret.
Outpost destroyed.
Oh no.
Throwing
Grenade.
supply beacon. Requesting air support.
Get back down. I threw a 500 kg on the turret. That did not kill it.
Oh god, great time to go to desktop.
Trying to hit it with thermite. It's kind of a hard throw. I think I got it.
Calling in orbital strike.
What?
There we go.
Dude, I keep hitting it with thermite and it's not sticking to it.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh, come on.
Administering freedom. Requesting sentry. Eagle 1.
Can anyone kill this turret?
For resupply.
Let me see. Yeah, give me a second here. Shooting. Oh, it doesn't kill it in one shot. Let me recharge. There you go.
Bag's empty.
This is one of the command bunkers, right? This is not even one of the command bunkers?
Ah, too much. Gotta stay there.
Bag's empty.
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way. Requesting sentry. Calling down a sentry. Calling down a support weapon.
New mag. Rare sample acquired.
Oh crap, tank.
Oh, you have thermite needs, right?
Yeah.
Sample collected.
Oh, finally got a good hit.
Who brought the barrage?
Me.
Nice.
Oh, we got a jammer up north.
I'm throwing supplies here.
Drop ship.
Sending down equipment package.
Walker. I'll hit with the drop zone with barrage. Oh god. Oh god.
Freedom never sleeps.
Shit, I need supplies.
Right on target.
Boom!
Is it dead?
Can't tell yet.
No, it's not.
No.
You should be able to hit it with thermite from here.
Calling a sentry, maybe.
Shot guys coming on the left here.
I'm gonna light that bitch up like a Christmas tree.
There we go. There's my sentry.
Sending in an eagle.
Democracy's on
There we
its
go.
way.
Oh, I need ammo. Oh my god, then there's a fucking Hulk on my back.
Oh crap, run away.
New mag.
I have no ammo.
There's supplies on the...
I know, I couldn't get to them.
No,
died?
it just happened too fast.
Me.
Reinforcing.
27 minutes, we're gonna do the side objective.
It's an easy one, we should.
I can go get it.
Oh, did I not
There's a
even
lot of guys
have
coming into
one?
the space right now.
Oh, this is the data thing.
New mag. Drone supply beacon. New mag.
Fireball's coming. So, Ollie, you should be the designated turret destroyer with that quasar.
Yeah. It just takes 2 shots, though. Even if I hit it on the back.
Storms. Storms are coming.
Yep.
Firestorms.
Liberty dispatch.
I think the storms are like magnets to you. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's test my theory. I'm just gonna stand still. Yep, right to me.
Outpost cleared.
Alright, where are we? What are we doing?
Requesting air support.
Automaton outpost left.
Oh, what the hell was that? Oh my god, I died so fast. Are we to spawn?
Where were you?
Ah,
Spawn me in the
hold
base
on,
we
hold
just
on.
liberated, if you can.
Oh my god.
Reinforcing.
Focus, Dan, focus.
Watch out for the tornadoes coming right where you're about to spawn.
Objective critical stratagem no longer available.
Pile diver, reporting to the front. Calling down a support weapon.
Oh, come on.
Calling in reinforcements.
One of those rocket striders got you?
Yeah,
Same guy got
just
me.
like he poked his head around the corner and
Yep,
just shot
I
me.
just killed him.
Requesting sentry.
I think I hear your stuff out there. Are you gonna get it?
Yeah.
All right, where are we going? I don't even know what's happening. We're gonna destroy that base.
Yeah, I think I was just trying to get over to the base we just killed to loot it and then head to the main bunker. Forgot to grab supplies on the way up.
Rare sample collected.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, fucking tornado. Like trying to snipe, the tornado just comes and melts me.
Sending in an eagle.
Attack underway.
I need a resupply.
Oh god damn it.
Killed yourself.
The ragdoll killed me.
Reinforcing.
God damn it. I got shot right when I fucking was gonna throw you over there.
Objective critical stratagem no longer available.
Democracy has landed.
Jesus Christ, those turrets are so nasty.
Calling down a sentry.
Okay, I made it into the base. I'm gonna try to hellbomb it.
Objective critical stratagem available.
Calling down a sentry.
Jesus Christ! I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm just getting ragdolled every 2 seconds. Yeah, the ragdolling is really bad.
Tank just dropped in the
I
base.
need another spawn.
How far away do you want to be?
If you
I
could
just
throw me, if you
spawned
could
it
throw
over
me
there.
into the base, that's where I was.
Oh, you already threw you. Oh my god, a tank just rolled up behind me.
We're getting swarmed.
Jesus.
Ready to liberate. Calling in orbital strike.
Still back in the fight.
If I get close enough, I can get my laser in there.
Orbital inbound.
Orbital barrage incoming. Stand clear.
Missed.
Requesting sentry.
Objective critical stratagem.
Oh god, I'm dead. There's no way I'm gonna survive this.
Want me to throw you in there?
I can't do this alone. Like, I need support.
I'm trying to get in there.
I'm pinned down by a sniper. I mean a tank.
Tank is about to die.
Yep, because I threw you there, right?
Yep. Alright.
I got fucking swarmed. It was just...
I need supplies and I need support. I can't do this on 2 stims and... The best way in is this way that I'm going. Think.
Right behind you.
You can get close here. But once we go around this corner left, it's gonna get fucking crazy because
Calling down supplies.
I need the supplies. And there's a turret out there if anyone wants to take that one out. I don't have my my rifle.
Fuck. I thought I could get it, but I couldn't.
Going in.
Orbital inbound.
I'm lasering inside. Watch out.
Objective critical stratagem available.
That worked.
Objective critical stratagem no longer available.
My life for super art.
Behind us, behind us.
Yeah. I'm gonna get him.
Oh, yes. Thank God.
Dropship. Good.
Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Come on, autocannon. Do good.
Requesting sentry.
Requesting sentry.
Calling down a sentry.
Oh, come on.
Jammer.
And the Sauron. Oh yeah, no, that's the jammer.
Requesting sentry. New mag. Requesting air support. Unleashing democracy. My life for super art. Found something. Got a sample.
Okay.
New mag.
Requesting orbital strike.
Damn it. Yes.
Throwing supply beacon.
Deploying equipment package. Outpost destroyed.
Well, we need to make a decision what we're doing because we got to go southeast to complete the mission.
Out of stims.
Yeah.
I was gonna loot this base, but it's got a fucking locker in there. Not worth it.
Dropship!
And the flames. Not good.
Should we go southeast? Go do the mission
Yeah.
and get out.
Alright.
We're already down. And there's a shit ton of bases over by our extract. Oh, the fire got me. Out of nowhere.
You gonna spawn him?
Location, south.
I'm kind of screwed right now.
We're down to 5 lives.
I'm running around the base. I want to get him back a little close to where he was.
Good supply placement. Just anywhere in that base.
Sending out an SOS.
In here?
Yeah,
Should be good there.
I think that's where I died. Dan, you did a SOS.
Yeah, you were just outside there to the left.
Joining the
Straight
Oh,
fray.
that's weird. I think I'm doing it too fast.
I hate this. I hate the fire, dude. These are the worst maps.
Yeah, it's definitely like really crazy hard.
Where's the, are there supplies out here?
There were like northwest of this base along the mountain. Somewhere,
Never mind.
somewhere over there.
I'll just survive until we...
We're gonna get this radar. Just forget about it.
forget about it if we can.
Man, we barely have any rares. Just makes looting so hard when there's just like, oh, there's supplies right here, Ollie.
Marking location. Supplies.
A
Chaos.
whole shit ton of supplies on the ground right here. Yeah, because even when you destroy a base, it's like there's still tons of guys coming at you all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a rare.
Rare sample collected.
Try throwing my laser again.
Outpost clear.
We don't have to kill the whole thing.
Mag's empty. Must defend prosperity.
Requesting orbital.
Fire.
Rare sample collected. Calling down a sentry. Mag's empty.
Can't tell if these things are dead or not.
Mission at 10 minutes remaining.
Reload.
Oh, anti-air here.
That's always good.
I got the terminal.
Strider coming.
Calling down supplies.
fucking almost kills me.
Supplies. Engaging terminal.
We're up.
Orbital inbound.
Objective completed.
Dropship.
Walker.
Sending in an eagle.
Alright, I just let the laser do the business.
Requesting orbital. Requesting orbital strike.
Maybe we should just go extract.
Eagle 1 rearming. Be back shortly.
New mag. Found something. Rare sample collected. Calling down a walker.
Outpost destroyed. Extraction is available.
Requesting orbital.
Calling down a sentry.
How are you guys doing? Are we ready to go towards extract? Or are you still?
I got a little messed up there. Hold on.
Dan, there's nothing. Yeah, come this way.
Okay.
Did we loot this base at all? Did we loot this base at all?
No, I haven't.
You want to run in there real quick? I got a
Sure.
mech, so.
There's a bunch of guys over here.
Alright, I'll come towards Ollie.
And there's an Eye of Sauron on the way to extract, so it's
Okay.
gonna be fucking crazy.
Left. Liberty speed your step-out diver. You may proceed to extraction when ready.
Orbital strike.
Did you loot this base, Ollie, right here?
Requesting sentry.
No, I was about to, but those guys came.
Okay, go grab it.
Example. And here's another one. Alright, I think that's probably it.
Oh, there's a tank right here. Tank is dead. Another tank. I'm dead. Mech is dead.
Coming.
Which means I'm probably dead. Yep.
Yeah.
No time to do anything.
I'm gonna throw you in
I'm
there.
coming.
Okay, I'll land on the tank.
Calling down a sentry.
Oh god, there's so many guys.
Oh fuck.
Calling in reinforcements.
Orbital inbound.
Throwing into orbital down there, so be careful.
Ready to liberate. Going supply beacon. Requesting advanced weaponry.
No, come on. Ah.
You ran right in front of my
Well-
shot.
Yeah. Oh, well, at least the Hulk didn't get me and it was you.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Mag's empty. Point me to the enemy. New mag.
Don't forget your samples.
Bunch of guys to the left down there.
Requesting air support.
Gonna need
Tank is gonna
supplies.
drive right. The supply's right there. The spawn.
Yeah, right back here.
Thank you.
All right, that tank did not die. Can someone kill it?
Marking location. Heavy. Northeast. 50 meters.
Hit him in the turret.
Got it.
Alright, we got 2 minutes. We gotta get going.
Mag's empty.
Nice.
Drop ship.
Oh boy, there's a lot of guys over there.
New mag.
I think we might be in the eye of
We're in some deep shit here.
Sauron.
We're in some deep shit.
Oh, God. Oh, got that tank in the midair.
Maybe we should go around.
There's a tank down there. There's everything is down there.
Oh, God. Fire behind us. We're dying. We're dying.
Oh man.
Sending in an eagle.
What the
Can we
hell
go
are we
around?
supposed to do, man? I think
Yes,
all my
go around
I think
left.
all my samples are down there.
Oh fuck. Yeah, they are.
Oh, hope the fire doesn't get me.
Alright, it died.
What died?
Come on.
Did it? Oh, I thought it died.
No, but I'm gonna hit it with thermite. I think.
Watch out, watch out. You're in the tornado.
Calling down a sentry.
In the fuck. I'm. What the? Dude! Come on!
Destroyer prepared
That's
to
so unfair, dude. That is so unfair. 50 seconds to spawn me.
I spawned you already. Oh my god.
That is so unfucking fair, dude.
Democracy has landed.
Oh my god.
Requesting sentry.
Alright, I'm going to get my. Come on, fire. Leave me the fuck alone for 1 second.
I got your samples.
Okay, I'm with you.
And I died. I died. It was my turn.
We don't
My
have. We
turn.
don't have any. We don't have any reinforcements. Did you have supplies on you? Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Any chance we can get to your shit? Were you swarmed or what?
I was very swarmed. I couldn't
Going
get to you guys.
going to extract.
Alright, you go there. I'm gonna try to get his shit real quick. I think I'm close. Oh yeah, it's right
Super
here.
destroyer leaving low orbit. Emergency extraction shuttle deployed.
Alright, I dropped a rocket turret just for shits and giggles.
Dude, I have. Oh, come here. We need this
I'm on it.
bunker. I need stims somehow. There's got to be stims around here. Oh, they're right here. Never mind. I just need
got 'em?
stims. Yeah, just need stims.
Oh my
Okay.
God! Don't fucking let a mine explode
Just
you.
go. I don't care about the bunker anymore.
ETA T-minus 2 minutes.
right or left? I'm gonna go left.
Oh my god. Oh! Come on, dude. Get him. Yes.
Spot outpost spot.
Oh my god, a tank.
Destroyed.
Oh no, Hulk.
The fucking fire! I hate it, dude! It is so fucking annoying!
Oh man.
ETA T-minus 2 minutes.
God, it's always at the worst fucking moment, dude. Why doesn't the fire go kill them? Like,
Have a taste of democracy.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
we can't do level 8, dude, on fire planet. It's impossible. There goes another 5 super samples. Wasted.
No, I have yours.
Okay.
I picked them up.
That's all I
But I'm
really
gonna
care
die.
about is the
30
samples.
seconds.
Fuck the mission, dude.
Fuck him.
Fuck them.
Fuck him. God. I had such high hopes for tonight, and it's been terrible.
It's just, dude. I feel like if it wasn't a fire planet, like
Yeah.
80% of my deaths is because of the fucking fire.
Helldivers outside
Yeah,
extraction
yep.
radius. Pelican 1
I
aborting
say we
pickup.
like lower it down to 7 and do the fire.
We only
I gotta-
have that.
I gotta go eat. My food just got here a few minutes ago, so I'll join you guys later.
So
Okay.
we just can't do it, dude. On 8.
Yeah, not at 8.
If we had a 4th player, maybe, but the fire makes it impossible.
We just need to go to a different planet.
We got to do the
Liberty
mission.
Allied destroyer has left squadron.
We did finish the mission.
We're helping
That's
democracy.
right.